Yeah, what do you do with your hands? Yeah, I know.
Smiles are plenty at the launch of the first ever Bradford Manufacturing Week, but the reason for the initiative is no laughing matter. The city has more under 18s than anywhere else in the country, but it seems they don't want to work for businesses that make things.
It's really important for the city to demonstrate that we have a fantastic manufacturing base here. We have some 1,200 businesses in manufacturing, some of whom, we struggle to get new employees year on year. So this is a really great opportunity for us to bring young people into our companies and demonstrate the wide range of jobs that are available.
Nick Garthwaite, the driving force behind the initiative, acknowledges that whilst manufacturers work hard to attract youngsters into the sector, there is scope for others to do more. And for the apprentices that have been taken on, the prospects can be bright.
Manufacturing, obviously a lot of it is the physical side, which I do enjoy, but you do have the technical side, so mixing both is kind of suited to me.
You get to go and you get to do physical work, but you get to also learn the skills individually of each department and things like that.
A programme of tours, company visits and seminars are planned. The organisers aiming to reach more than 20,000 teenagers at 75 schools and to create 1,000 work experience days.
Really, our ambition is for as many manufacturing companies as we can get to open up their doors during the week we've picked in order to give young people work experience so we can demonstrate the fantastic range of jobs we have available and the different career opportunities there are for young persons in the future.
The aim then is simple: to encourage more teenagers to look at manufacturing as a viable career option. Bradford Manufacturing Week starts on October the 8th.